Trolley Dolly. This D-Best Products Trolley Dolly Black foldable shopping cart for groceries stands out as a reliable and versatile solution for your shopping needs. With product dimensions of 15D into 13W into 37.25H, its compact size makes it ideal for navigating through crowded aisles with ease. The use of high-quality polyester material ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to the cart, making it suitable for various settings. The standout feature of this cart is its foldable design, which allows for convenient storage when not in use. This feature is especially handy for those with limited storage space or for on-the-go lifestyles. Whether you're looking to simplify your grocery trips, transport laundry, or carry items at events, this D-Best Products Trolley Dolly is a practical and efficient solution. Its sturdy construction coupled with its foldable design makes it a versatile companion for everyday tasks.
Rectangle Table. The Obstacle Rectangle Tablecloth by Obstacle is a well-crafted piece designed to elevate your dining experience. Made from high-quality polyester material, this tablecloth in the soothing navy blue color adds elegance to any setting. Measuring 102 inches in length and 60 inches in width, this rectangular tablecloth is perfectly sized for most standard dining tables, providing a seamless fit and a polished look. The durable polyester material ensures that this tablecloth is easy to maintain and can withstand regular use. Its color retention properties make it a reliable choice for both casual meals and special occasions. Whether you're hosting a dinner party, setting the table for a family gathering, or simply looking to protect your table surface, the Obstacle Rectangle Tablecloth offers style and functionality in one package. Upgrade your dining aesthetic with this versatile and practical tablecloth from Obstacle.
Mini PC, the B-Link Mini S12. Pro Mini PC offers a versatile solution for various user needs. Whether you are a home user, business professional, gamer, educator, multimedia enthusiast, or a video or photo editing hobbyist, this mini PC is designed to meet your requirements effectively. Powered by Windows 11 Pro, the B-Link Mini S12 Pro provides a reliable and familiar operating system for users across different domains. With a substantial memory storage capacity of 500 GB and 16 GB of RAM, this mini PC ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking capabilities. The sleek black design of the B-Link Mini S12 Pro adds a touch of modernity to any environment, be it a home office setup, living room entertainment center, or a professional workspace. The inclusion of essential components like the Visa mount with screws, user manual, Intel 12th N100 mini PC HDMI cables, and power adapter further enhances the user experience by providing everything you need to get started right away. Table lamp. This bedside table lamp for bedroom by Fenzi is a versatile and sleek addition to any bedroom decor. Measuring 4.45 into 4.45 into 13.98 inches and weighing just 1.34 pounds, this lamp is compact yet provides ample illumination. The elegant design of this lamp adds a touch of sophistication to your bedside table. The item model number Chijianyuan 121 ensures easy identification and compatibility. First available on May 18, 2023, this lamp has quickly gathered a positive reputation, evidenced by its impressive 4.6 out of 5 stars rating from 3,476 ratings. With its adjustable brightness settings and modern aesthetic, the Fenzi bedside table lamp is suitable for everyone seeking both functionality and style in their bedroom lighting. It seamlessly combines practicality with a touch of elegance, making it a must-have for any bedroom setting.
Lazy Susan Turntable. Upon reviewing the Copco 255-0186 non-skid pantry cabinet. Lazy Susan Turntable. It is evident that this product exemplifies both practicality and durability. Made by Copco, a trusted brand in household organization solutions, this turntable is crafted from high-quality plastic, ensuring long-lasting use. Its white and gray color scheme effortlessly blends with most kitchen decor styles, adding a touch of elegance to any pantry or cabinet. Weighing just 2.1 pounds, the Copco Lazy Susan turntable is designed to support a maximum weight recommendation of 5 pounds, making it ideal for organizing a variety of pantry items from spices to canned goods. The non-skid feature adds an extra layer of functionality, ensuring that items placed on the turntable stay securely in place without sliding around. Overall, the Copco 255-0186 non-skid pantry cabinet. Lazy Susan Turntable is a practical and versatile organizational tool that offers both convenience and efficiency.